Hi, I'm Noor. I'm a developer advocate for the open source project Process Analytics that's initiated by Bonitasoft. This project aims at developing visualization libraries that allow to create static, animated, and interactive visualizations of your process analytics results. It's an open source project under Apache 2.0 license. In this short video, I'm going to introduce bpmn-visualization, a library that's developed as part of this project and that allows to visualize process execution data on top of bpmn models. The library is currently developed in TypeScript, which is a superset of JavaScript, and also in R. Now I'm going to show you some examples to give you a sense of what you can do with bpmn visualization. So in this example, I'm going to visualize conformance and compliance data. What I did is that I took this BPMN process from one of the best papers of BPI Challenge 2019. It refers to a purchase to pay order and it's created manually by the authors. So as a user of BPMN visualization, you are responsible of retrieving the BPMN process, and then using the library, you can load and visualize it. Currently, we provide four main functionalities. First, you can zoom in, out, pan, and fit the process. Second, you can interact with the process elements. For example, this is a sub-process activity, and on a click, we visualize the sub-process details. Third and fourth, you can add overlays to different elements at different positions. You can customize their style, and you can customize the style of the process elements. Here we visualize the result of a process mining technique called conformity checking. So conformity checking takes an event log and a process model. It compares them in order to detect deviations. With the green overlay, we say that in 571 of the traces, there is no deviation. So this activity is executed and recorded at the right position in the log. However, in 40 of the traces, there is a deviation. This activity is not recorded in the log. We also customize the style of the activity to show the ratio between the correct executions and the deviation. This is another example of visualizing violation to compliance rules. So again, we took the same compliance rules that were defined in the paper, the same analysis, and here we are visualizing the result. We added ripple circles to activities that are involved in the violation. And another example of interaction, here on a click, we give more information, more context about the violation. So the first line in the tooltip says that there is a compliance rule saying that the activity record goods receipts, which is this one, should be executed at some point in time before clearing the invoice. However, in about 6% of the traces, this rule is violated. Last, here we show the happy path, which corresponds to the most frequent variant observed in the log, and here we animated this variant on the process. If you'd like to know more details about the project, you can visit our website, process-analytics.dev. To learn how to use the library, we created a Getting Started tutorial that's available on our GitHub page. You can clone the project, and you can also access our article, which explains step by step how to reproduce this visualization, which corresponds to an online monitoring scenario. So finally, the Process Analytics project aims at creating a customizable open source ecosystem that allows an easy integration into existing process mining, BPM, and other tools. It's for developers involved in a process analytics project, and it gives them more control, more flexibility over how they'd like to visualize process execution data. So we'd like to invite you to contribute to this open source ecosystem by using the libraries, giving us feedback, and telling us what visualization components you need. Thank you.